Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Bitcoin's price action on Monday started strong. After clearing the long liquidity leverage box around $93,300 that I showed you in yesterday's video, the price shot straight up to $95,000. We even closed a candle decisively above it, but shortly after, Bitcoin crashed down again from $95,600 to $93,900 within just 1 hour. Is it Groundhog Day all over again? This looks familiar. We have now seen heavy rejection around this region not once, but 4 times already. However, this time, the candles are looking more promising compared to the previous attempts. The total length from bottom to wick shows significant strength. 1 hourly candle stretched from $94,000 to $94,900. A $900 move from bottom to top. The next candle was still strong, with a $500 range. The latest candle so far appears weaker, but we should not overanalyze on such a microscale. Zooming out and looking at the 3-day liquidation heat map, we can see the hottest areas located at $95,700, $96,100, and $98,000. Let's go. 5th time's the charm. Let's break through. And there is even more good news today. Arizona's Bitcoin reserve bill has passed the final vote and is now heading to the governor. The state is just one signature away from officially buying Bitcoin. This is history in the making. Even more bullish news came from Michael Saylor and MicroStrategy. Saylor tweeted that MicroStrategy has acquired 15,355 Bitcoin for approximately $1.42 billion at an average price of around $92,737 per Bitcoin. As of April 27, 2025, MicroStrategy now holds 553,555 Bitcoin, acquired for a total of approximately $37.9 billion at an average price of around $68,459 per Bitcoin. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.